Hello everyone, my name is Mariana Cristina de Antônio Leite and I'm a student of languages, Portuguese and English. If I were the Minister of Education in Brazil, I would focus on three main problems: low teacher salaries, poor schools conditions, and inequality in education. First, I would increase teachers' salaries and offer better training. Teachers need to feel valued and prepared to their job well. Second, I would improve school buildings and give students access to books, computers, and internet, especially in poor areas. Finally, I would create programs to help students from low income families with full time schools and free tutoring. I believe in education can change lives and build a better future for our country. Thank you.